How to fix your Bluetooth not working on Windows 11. First method is go to settings and try to troubleshoot it. So let's go to settings. Then we can go to system. In system, we want to scroll down to troubleshoot. Click on troubleshoot, and in troubleshoot, go to other troubleshooters. Click on that. Once you're here, you can go to other, and under other you find Bluetooth. So here click on run. Over here in other, here you can see we have Bluetooth. If you click on run, it's going to actually try to solve the problem on its own. It will look for the problem and fix it. Secondly, you can go to device manager and try to reinstall the drivers. Here let's go to device manager. Do note that you have to be on an admin account to make any kind of changes over here, so do that as well. But here you can see we have Bluetooth. Let's click on Bluetooth. You can actually double click on it, or here you can just select your Bluetooth device. So this is actually your Bluetooth card that is installed on your computer. Let's right click on it, go to properties, and here you can see we are currently in general. On the top you want to go to driver, and here you want to see driver details, and then you can also update the driver. If it is disabled, you can also enable it from here. Then you want to go to settings again. The third, so these drivers also come in the form of Windows 11 updates. So you can just go to settings, and in settings we want to go to Windows update, and here you can just check for updates, and here you can see I have an update and I can just download and install right away. Fourth method is going to services MSC. So let's press Windows plus R, type in services.msc, click enter. Here you want to go to Bluetooth support device, double click on it, and here you can see startup type is manual. If it is disabled, you want to either put it on manual or automatic. So obviously if it is disabled, it's not going to work. And if nothing works, you can also try just restarting your Windows 11 computer. That would be the easiest way. If nothing works, this could actually be your Bluetooth card problem. So that may need changing or upgradation. If you have found the video helpful, do drop a like, share and subscribe.